Ay, ma'am, ano po mga pangalan niyo po, ma'am?
Hello, everyone. I'm Seika Roar. And this is...
I'm Squid. Hello, I'm Neko Kale.
Gano'n na po kayo katagal nagko-cosplay, ma'am?
I've been cosplaying since 2012.
I've been cosplaying for 2 years. Cosplaying since 2022.
Sino po yung mga kino-cosplay niyo ngayon, ma'am?
Ako po, si Killjoy from Valorant.
I'm wearing Makima from Chainsaw Man. Yoshida from Chainsaw Man.
Ayan, terno. Why do you like that character and what connects you to it, ma'am?
Nothing significant in connection, pero main ko sa Valorant si KJ. And I like how comfy her costume is. So,
Lalo na kayo sa Baguio.
yes.
Ayan, so yun, ma'am.
Ako naman, crazy bitch ako kagaya kay Makima. Charot. Hindi yan totoo. Pero yeah, I really like the comfort of the costume most of all. Aside from that, I really liked Makima in the series, no matter like how evil she was. I also read the manga, so spoilers. Kinosplay ko si Yoshida, it is because comfy lang siya suotin. Pero in similarities, wala kami similarities, to be honest. Yun lang.
Okay lang.
And yun, pogi din si Yoshida.
Yan, pogi.
Yung similarities nila, pogi. Pogi si Yoshida.
Oo nga,
Yan
yun.
spoilers to guys.
Ano ma-advise niyo po para sa mga bagong magko-cosplay, sa mag-i-start pa lang mag-cosplay?
Mag-ipon kayo ng pera kasi magastos.
Tama naman, tama.
To add to that, money management guys. Wag lang gumastos ng gastos. Dapat alam nyo na free siya gamitin na pera, ganun. Financing stuff.
Yes.
Ako naman, of course, be creative. And yun, syempre, to be honest, cosplaying is really expensive. And sa mga aspiring cosplayers out there, sa mga starters, pwede naman like closet cosplay or, ukay-ukay, ganon. And of course, be creative.
Ayan, napakaganda. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you po sa mga sagot niyo, ma'am.
Ikaw muna eh.
Hey!